This is Sarah Borowski. She's a photographer in New York. She loves her work and her day is always busy. This is a day in her life. Sarah gets up at 8 o'clock in the morning. She brushes her teeth and has breakfast. She always makes coffee. At 8:30, Sarah gets her camera, leaves home, and goes to work. New York City is always busy in the morning. Sarah never drives. She usually travels by train. Sometimes she takes photographs on the journey. Sarah works in West Brooklyn. She works for a magazine. Sometimes she works in the office, but she often works outside. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Sarah has lunch. She often meets a friend and goes to her favorite cafe. Sarah usually finishes work at 6, and she gets home at 6:30. Sarah has a really nice apartment in East Brooklyn, but it's a little bit small. She sometimes has dinner at a restaurant, but she usually eats at home. She eats dinner at 7:30. In the evening, she looks at her photographs on her computer and surfs the internet. She sometimes watches TV. Sarah never goes to bed early. She sometimes stays up until 2 in the morning.